Friday. Today is Thursday, January 18th, and it is, well, it's not technically moving day. It's we get our keys to the new place day. Other than that, like the furniture and everything isn't moving until Saturday, but it's still really exciting. So yeah, and I know a lot of you guys, well, a couple of you, maybe not a lot, but I know a few of you guys wanted to see moving vlogs, and I love moving vlogs, so I was already gonna do them. I'm just happy that you guys wanna see that. Okay, sorry guys, had to take that phone call. Basically, catch you up on today. I got a call at 3 a.m. that my grandma was in the hospital, so my mom was calling me to update, and it sounds like everything's gonna be okay, but you know, it sucks. Anyway, but I'm trying not to focus on that. I'm trying to focus on the fact that we get our keys today, and I get to show you the new apartment today, which is really, really exciting. We're gonna have to go dig my car out of the snow and head over there, but I'm really excited and I can't wait to show you guys. Guys, we got our keys and we're in the new apartment. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So this is the front door. You have like a little dining room area. I don't think that our table is going to fit, so this probably won't actually be a dining room area for us.
Table, but just no chairs.
Well, yeah, like our dining set will not fit here. So this probably won't be a dining room. I don't know what this will be, but it probably won't be a dining room. And then you have the kitchen, which is way bigger than the kitchen we have right now, which is really exciting because I hate our kitchen right now. Then you have the living room, which is about the same size as our living room right now, so not that exciting. Then you walk over here and you have the master bedroom, and you have this nice sized closet, which is nice. And then here's the bathroom. I kind of don't like this setup because I feel like there's not going to be a place to put our dresser, because normally we put like the bed here and the dresser like right here, but that would block the bathroom. So I kind of don't like that. I don't know what we're going to do with that. It's kind of stressing me out, but I love the bathroom space. There's like lots of cabinets and like, you know, whatever. We need to get new light bulbs because it's really dark in here. And then you have like a little medicine cabinet, a nice big tub, but like I said, these lights are so dim. They gotta go. You walk over here, you have like where the laundry stuff goes, so that'll be nice. And then you have another bathroom. So there's that. And then you have what will be my office slash, I'm kind of sharing it, with James. It's much smaller than what I have right now, so that's kind of stressing me out a little too, but it's okay. Why is this not wanting to focus? There we go. So you have this little teeny tiny room. This is the smallest room, like I think ever. Maybe not ever, but and then you have just a closet, which will be used for storing all the crap that we don't want to get rid of, but also don't want to use. So yeah, that is that. And that's our really tiny apartment. How do you feel about it?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. It's the 19th, and it's technically, like, we haven't really moved anything yet. We've just been moving our furniture stuff into the dining room, so when they come to pick up our furniture, we can just say everything in this room goes. So that's kind of the update. That's what our dining room is looking like. Fun stuff. The rest of the apartment looks completely trashed. So I kind of don't want to show you guys that, but I know that's part of moving, so I might show you guys. I don't know. Also, I want to apologize if these moving vlogs, if I don't seem like fun, happy, excited. I am excited to move. But like I said yesterday, there's some stuff going on with my grandma, and I'm kind of worried about it. So I'm gonna try not to cry. Oh my gosh. But I am really, really worried about what's going on, and I hope everything's okay. And I've just kind of been really, really anxious about it. And I feel like yesterday when I turned the camera off from being in the new apartment, I just felt like really upset, and I cried, and I was just like, we don't have enough room in this apartment, and I just like kind of fell apart. Like, it's not that I don't like the apartment, because I do, it's just like a lot smaller. And I think just with everything going on yesterday, I just started to panic that like our stuff's not gonna fit in there, and you know, everything else. So I want to apologize if I don't seem like super happy peppy. I'm trying to make these moving vlogs, you know, really great for you guys, because I love moving vlogs, and I, you know you guys have been asking for them, and I really want to give them to you. So please just bear with me, because it's just like, I literally feel like I'm going to just completely lose it. So I'll try to keep you guys updated with my grandma as I know more, because I know you guys care. Like, I've had people reach out to me, and it means a lot that you guys care. And so I'll try to keep you guys updated with that. I'm trying not to focus on that today. Just trying to do what I need to do. She's doing tests and stuff today at the hospital, so hopefully we'll have answers today. Anyway, so I'll show you guys, this is the dining room. Okay, you guys are probably gonna cringe if you guys move a lot, but this is how I'm packing stuff. It's all just kind of like in there, but we're also not like, we're moving everything ourselves. Like, the movers are only moving furniture. We're moving like everything else, and it's literally like 10 minutes away. So this is kind of how we pack every time we've moved, because every time we've moved, it's been like 10 minutes away from where we were. We just did some dishes, so I need to unload those. Trying to figure out, like, because really tonight's the last night that we're in here. So we're probably just gonna order pizza, to be honest, so we don't really have to dirty any dishes or do any cooking. Guys, what is this? So this stuff is all going over to the new apartment. So I just kind of like set it there. I'm just kind of like setting stuff in piles. It's really bad. And then we have this stuff. I have my candles because I had to move my bookshelf. That over there is like all the Christmas stuff, which doesn't have to go like right now. I mean, obviously like it's going to go over with us, but it doesn't have to right now. This is the current state of the bedroom. Yeah, there's boxes over there that I've got to go through. That stuff came off of our dresser. I need to go through that. And then we have this pile of clothes I need to go through, find out the clothes I'm keeping, the clothes I'm giving to Goodwill. I don't even want to show you the closet because honestly, yeah. So that's going on. And then, like I said, this is the living room. All of our DVDs are over there, not in boxes because I had to move the bookshelf. Because like I said, we're trying to get all the furniture. So tonight when James gets home, we're going to move parts of the couch over there. And I don't know if it's all gonna fit in the dining room, to be honest, but we're going to do our very best. We're also taking our bed down tonight and moving that side table, which I need to clean off. So I think that's it for furniture. Babe, how excited are you that tomorrow we'll be in our new apartments?
I'm pretty excited.
Yeah, so tomorrow, this is our last night in this apartment. It's kind of sad. Like, I'm really, really excited. But it's also kind of sad because we've lived here for 2 years. So, yeah.
So long as you've lived anywhere. What, 6 years, 7 years?
Probably, because let's see. I lived in Tennessee for 2 years. Then I lived in Connecticut for a year. Went back to Missouri for 3 months. Lived in Raleigh for like almost a year before we got married. Moved to the other apartment, lived there for a year, and then we were here, lived here for 2 years. So yeah, this is the longest I've lived somewhere since 2010 to 2012. So I like to move a lot apparently. So I should be a pro at this, but I'm still failing miserably. Like, I hope my mom doesn't watch this vlog because she'll be like, oh my gosh, what are you doing with your life? And I'll be like, I don't know. So yeah, so it's kind of bittersweet. Like, I'm super excited to go to the new apartment, but it's also kind of sad because Been here for 2 years. It went by really fast too. Right, babe?
Oh yeah.
Do you not think so?
Yeah.
I mean, it kind of feels like just like literally just yesterday that we moved here.
Gone by in 2 years.
Yeah, but it seems like it was really fast. So, anyway, that is the moving update right now. Hopefully, next time I show you this, it will not look as messy, but I can't promise anything because moving probs. Okay, you guys, a lot has changed since I last vlogged. Basically, we took apart our bed, which used to be in there. I'm not going to show you that because it's kind of a mess, but put our bed in the living room for tonight because we want to be able to tell the movers that, like, you know, all the big furniture pieces go and they don't have to like go to a different room really. Kitchen's a mess. And then we have all of this stuff. We added some couch pieces. There was an not an end table, but like a little, yeah, I mean, it's kind of like an end table. That went by the couch, so we put that back there. The couch pieces, the box spring, and then everything else is over here. So tomorrow, the movers will move all of that. That will be great. And, oh, and the other thing that I did, which won't look any different to you guys because you didn't see it, but I cleaned this room out. It had a lot of like laundry stuff in here, so I cleaned that out so they can get those tomorrow also, which will be great. Everything will be where it needs to be tomorrow after, like, they're coming at like 8, between 8 and 9, so hopefully by like noon our apartment will be somewhat, I mean, without like all the little stuff, but like all the big stuff should be in its place, right, babe? And then we get to pack or move all of this stuff and some other random stuff. Lots of kitchen stuff. Lots of stuff. We have lots of stuff. Don't worry, guys. Not all of this is coming with us. We're getting rid of some stuff, right? Right. Then Dixie wants to play. Oh, Dixie. That is the update so far, you guys. Really excited that we're getting it done, but yeah, we still have like a lot to do, so I'm kind of, I feel a lot better about things, but I'm still like really overwhelmed and just like, there's just a lot to do. But hopefully by Monday I'll be feeling better about everything, because hopefully by Monday we can like have, you know, most of the stuff moved over in its place, and then all that we'll have left here is just stuff we need to go through and most likely get rid of. So I'm going to end this here for tonight, and tomorrow is like the official moving day. I'm so excited. It's gonna be great. So anyway, but I will talk to you guys in the morning.